boys and girls, welcome to Rudeboy Guitar. Thank you for tuning in. We have a cool mix here, Rudeboy and Sarkodie, Blessed and Alive. We're gonna look into this sweet little song. We have this thing going on in the same way through the entire song. Either we go with the melody based or strumming based style of playing. So let's go and check out the chords first. We have C, G, A minor, and F. So C first, third A, second D, open G, first B, and open E. Next up is G, so third E, second A, open D, open G, open B, and third E. A minor, that will be open A, second D, second G, first B, open E, and finally we have the F, which is the bar chord. You place any string like this, you're crossing all strings on the first fret, and then you need to add third A, third D, and second G. Alright, so let's go into the melody thing first, chord by chord, starting with C. So it goes like this. So third A, second D, first B, second D, first B, then third A, open G, first B, and open G. The G part next goes like this. So it's the third E in the bass, then open D, open B, back to open D, and open B, then third E, open D, open B, and open G. Next up is the A minor part, goes like this. So it's the open A, second D, first B, second D, first B, then open A, second D, first B, and open G. And finally we have the F, and you go like this. Okay, so that will be first fret E string in the bass, then third D, first B, third D, first B, then first E in the bass, third D, first B, and open G. And that's one round. So from that F, when you have the full chord played, you're gonna hold it full as it is. You have that third fret A string prepared for the next round. So you don't have to release everything. You have it prepared for the next round, which is the C, and that will be like this, okay? So one round with melody, a little bit slower than standard tempo, goes like this. Okay, that's the melody thing, and you can stay with that, or you can go into the strumming world, and it goes like this for one string round. Okay, so it's down, down, up, down. That's the first part. A short pause then, and then three downs. So one round is... You're gonna play one of these per chord, so... You can also do this with bass on, or like emphasis on the beat. So what you're gonna do there is to replace two, one up and one down with a clap instead. So that will be like this. So you're gonna play down, down, up, clap. So you replace the second up with a clap instead. And then comes the pause after the first half, and then comes, instead of playing three downs, you replace the second to last down with a clap instead. So down, down, up, clap, down, down, clap, down, like this. So with a full chord progression, sounds like this. And that's it, my friends. That's all you need to know to handle Rudeboy's and Sarkodie's Blessed and Alive. Yes, if you're alive, you're blessed. So it's a nice song, nice message out there. And yeah, hope this one helps. And if it did, then support me here. Give me a like on this tutorial. And see you soon. Till next time, play tuned.